This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel from A to Z. Let's start with the basics. Excel's ribbon organizes tools into tabs like Home and Data. You'll navigate using cells, rows, and columns, referencing cells like A1. Entering data is simple. Formatting it with fonts or colors makes it readable. Always save your work with clear names to easily find your files later. Now, let's unlock Excel's power with formulas and functions. Start with simple math like addition or division using operators. Then, discover functions like SUM to add numbers or average to find the mean. Learn about relative references that adjust when copied versus absolute references that stay fixed. The IF function helps you create dynamic spreadsheets based on conditions. Efficiently managing and analyzing your data is crucial. You can sort data alphabetically or numerically and filter it to display only relevant entries. Organizing your data into tables simplifies these tasks. Conditional formatting automatically highlights cells based on rules, like showing values over $1,000 in green. Pivot tables are excellent for summarizing large datasets, revealing insights with ease. Finally, let's make your data shine and save time. Visualize your data using different chart types, like bar or pie charts, to communicate trends clearly. Record macros to automate repetitive actions, boosting your productivity. Protect your sensitive data by securing worksheets and entire workbooks. Learn to share your Excel files efficiently, ensuring smooth collaboration with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.